Welcome to Getting Started with Banner 9. In this lesson, you will learn how to navigate the Banner 9 user interface, including using the landing page features, accessing and navigating pages, and viewing keyboard shortcuts. You can access Banner 9 by going to my.nichols.edu, sign in using your MyNichols username and password, and clicking the Banner 9 Admin Pages button. Before we begin, note what was called a form in Banner 8 is called a page in Banner 9. This is the landing page. Let's take a closer look, starting with the main menu panel. The main menu panel is sticky. That means it is always present and available to you, regardless of where you are in the system. With an easy click or keystroke, you can open the menu to perform any desired action. First in line is the menu icon, which looks like a group of three horizontal lines. Note the thin red line under the icon. This line is a visual reminder indicating where you are in the menu. Clicking on the menu icon displays all the names of all the icons in the main menu panel. The menu icon acts like a toggle switch, so to close menu, simply click the icon again. The next icon is a dashboard icon. Click on it to return to the landing page from anywhere in the system. The applications icon looks like 9 small boxes arranged in a 3x3 grid. By clicking this icon, the banner and My Banner menus display. You'll see how to locate pages using the menus a bit later in this lesson. To return to the expanded menu panel, click Back to Main Menu. The search icon can be used to find pages. The search is performed on the menu data, therefore if the page is not included on the menu, it is not included in the search results. You'll see how to access pages via the search icon a little bit later in this lesson. Again, click back to Main Menu to return to the expanded menu panel. Note the location of the red line indicating your last action on the menu panel. The recently opened icon displays a list of recently opened pages and forms. No pages or forms have been opened yet, so the icon is grayed out. The help icon displays online help for Banner 9 administrative applications. You must be on a page to access online help. We'll take a look at online help shortly, when we demonstrate how to access a page in Banner 9. The sign out icon, indicated by an arrow inside of a square, is used to exit the system. The last icon in the menu panel is the profile icon, which displays the name of the user currently logged into the system. Click the menu icon to collapse the menu panel. Next, let's learn how to access pages from the landing page. You have three options. You can use the applications icon or the search icon, both located on the main menu, or you can use the search field. We'll take a look at each option, starting with the applications icon. Click the applications icon or press Ctrl and M on your keyboard to view the banner and My Banner menus. In this example, we'll access the General Person Identification page, SPADEN, which is in the Banner Student system. Click the right arrow to expand the menu tree and locate a specific application. Continue using the right arrow to expand the menu tree and reach the sub-module and page levels. Spaden is located in the General Person submodule. Click the right arrow associated with General Person to view the available pages. At any time, you can click the left arrow to go back to the previous level, or you can click the Back to Applications link to view all Banner and My Banner menus. To open the page, simply click on the page name. Note that the menu panel persists on all screens throughout the system. To close the page, click the Page Close icon. To return to the landing page, click the dashboard icon or press Ctrl-Shift-X simultaneously on your keyboard. Note that the recently opened icon is now active and the number displays on the Open File folder. Each time a new page opens, the number increases by 1. Use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+Y to display the list of all pages opened during the session, or click the recently opened icon. You can reopen the page here by clicking on the page name. For purposes of this demonstration, let's go back to the main menu and continue looking at how to access pages. A second way to access pages is to click the search icon represented by a magnifying glass. Pressing Ctrl, Shift, and Y simultaneously on your keyboard also opens the search panel. No longer do you need to know the exact page name or all 7 letters of the object identifier. You can suggest topics such as student or employee or identification to return a list of all pages containing those letters. After entering 3 characters, pages matching your entry display. Keep typing to narrow your search results. To open the page, click on the page name. In this case, we're going to click the Back to Main menu link to learn about the third way to access pages from the landing page. Close the expanded main menu panel by clicking the menu icon. The search field on the landing page can be used to search for pages, jobs, and menus by simply typing keywords or the 7-character identifier into the search field. This field works similar to the search icon in that after typing 3 characters, pages matching your entry start to display. Click on the page name to open it. While the look of the page is different, the page layout, many of the icons and buttons, and overall functionality remain the same. During this quick tour, we'll point out some differences between Banner 8 and Banner 9. For starters, with Banner 9, only the key block displays initially. The fields, the icons, etc. within the key block are the same. As with Banner 8, you can click the Lookup button to quickly look up and select a value versus typing data into the field. After entering the required information into the key block, click Go in Banner 9 versus Next block in Banner 8 to activate the page. Note that the key block collapses, but the information is still viewable. You can click Start Over in Banner 9 versus Rollback in Banner 8 to return to the key block and re-enter data. Many Banner 9 pages now have tabs which help to organize data. Unless grayed out, tabs are active. In place of blocks, there are now sections as denoted by the gray bars. You move between sections or between tabs by clicking the previous section or next section icons located at the bottom of the page. Previous and next section icons replace previous block and next block icons. New to Banner 9, you can collapse or expand sections using the directional arrows located in the section headers. This allows you to focus on the information that is relevant at the moment and hide unneeded information. Once closed, simply click the arrow to open the section again. You can move between tabs by clicking on them as well. You can perform specific functions such as insert, copy, delete, and filter within each section. Your cursor must be in the section to activate these functions. Otherwise, they will be grayed out as shown here. Some functionality that you are familiar with in Banner 8 has moved to the page header so that it is more easily accessible. For example, the add and retrieve icons used with Banner document management are now located in the page header. The related icon provides easy access to pages associated with the data on the current page. Click on the icon to open the menu. You can select a page from the list provided or use the search field to locate a specific page. Simply click the related icon again to close the menu. The Tools menu, formerly known as the Options menu in Banner 8, gives you access to standard actions, options, and Banner document management functions based on the page you have accessed. Throughout this demonstration, you have viewed Banner pages and the new compact screen page. If you choose, you can set the page layout to expanded by selecting it from the Tools menu. Simply click on Expanded. In the expanded setting, the page takes up more real estate to fill in the screen. The page setting layout you choose will persist throughout the system. To switch it back, Access the Tools menu and select Compact. The Notification Center, formerly known as the Auto Hit line, is conveniently located in the page header. The Notification Center displays only when there are one or more alerts as indicated by the number. Toggling on the number shows or hides the message. There are 3 alert levels. Green, as shown here, indicates the action executed successfully. Typically, green messages are informational only. Yellow messages indicate a warning, and red is an error message. Click on the Notification Center number to close or hide the notification. Online help is available for all pages. On any given page, click the Help icon, the question mark in the menu panel, to display detailed descriptions and in many cases, step-by-step instructions. You can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl, Shift, and L simultaneously to open online help as well. Information specific to the page displays in a separate window, making it easier to toggle between the page you are working on and the help information. Notice the printer icon at the top of the page, which lets you print page-specific information. In the left column, a list of all pages in the banner module displays. Click on a page to view its help information, or use the search link to locate a specific page. You can also visit the link shown on screen to view a list of shortcuts for Banner 9. You will need to close the browser window to exit help. Click the Close Page icon to close the page. Click the dashboard icon in the main panel to return to the landing page from any screen. This concludes the tour of Banner 9 user interface, including using the landing page features, accessing and navigating pages, and viewing keyboard shortcuts. When finished with your session, be sure to sign out instead of just closing your browser window to ensure you completely log out of the Banner application.